You're posted to CFP Trenton, and you got 1 week. You got to find and buy a house.
We moved around a lot in the military, as you're aware, and now you've got a real estate license, so you have a different perspective possibly. So can you describe what a house hunting trip looks like compared to maybe a normal local person buying a house?
Yeah, I'd say the biggest difference is the timeline. You know, you got to get it done in 5 days. And of course the stress, because it's a stressful situation. Find the house, you got to offer on the house, get it accepted, inspections, financing, insurance, and if anything goes wrong, you know, you got to get all that done in 5 days.
100% agree. It's a stressful process. We all know. What do we do to de-stress the process for people?
Yeah, so we do a lot of preparation before you get here. You know, there's going over the listings with you, there's filtering them by neighborhood, whatnot, getting this inspector set up. And so when you get here, it's go time. There's gonna be 2 agents in the car with you to tell you where the neighborhoods as we're going, another agent there setting up the showings, providing feedback, getting follow-up questions answered, or sometimes we have to add things in at the last minute. So we're making sure that's getting done. And then back at the office, we have the full-time admin who's also working behind the scenes, making sure everything goes smooth. So at the end of the day, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get you into the right house for you in your time frame with as little stress as possible.